Okay, can you tell everybody what you're doing, bud?
I'm doing my work to eat the fish crackers.
Okay, good job. I'm going to do a close-up on your work so everybody can see what it is you're reading. We're doing some reading from a Kumon book, The Worm is Long, The Man Works. That looks pretty complex. This is Ryan watching Ethan. Well, I was going to say watching Ethan study, but it's really watching Ethan eat crackers. This is Hudson. Hudson. Excuse me. Trying to get in on this, Hudson? Hudson's about to get a bath. What's that?
I'm a very friendly parrot, chatting out loud for all to hear.
Okay, oh, can you say hello, Kennedy?
Hello.
Say hello to everybody.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, anything else you want to say?
I have this thing because every time I get on my stairs, my legs get softer, and that's why I have this to walk on stairs.
Okay. Is this your? What are you holding in your other hand?
Because I'm having a cupcake for Mommy's birthday.
Is that a real cupcake?
No, it's a pretend one.
No. It must be delicious.
It is.
Okay. Say
I made them.
say peace out.
Peace out.